Hey guys, this is Alex from MarketWise Asia. Okay, so good to see everyone. Today it is the 16th of March 2022. So just want to do a very quick video on my opinion and my views on the market right now because there's one subscriber asking in the Telegram channel asking about my views. So just want to do a quick one over here. All right, so first thing first, okay, so as usual, my disclaimer, whatever I share today is just for education and information purpose. It is not a recommendation, all right, to tell you what to buy or what to sell. Alex is always wrong, so please don't copy me, okay? So my opinion doesn't mean that it is right. So please do your own due diligence, all right? So yeah, so as I am recording this video today, the market, it is crazy as shit, okay? Yeah, pardon my word, because, as I'm recording this, the Hang Seng Tech Index, actually went up rarely 20% today. And the Hang Seng Index is up about 10%, okay? It's up about 9% today. So, the market, for the Chinese market, for the past 2 days, has been down, I think about 8%, 10% consecutively in 2 days. Okay, now today it's really up 20% for the Hang Seng Tech. So it's very crazy today. And yeah, so but in today's video, I'm focusing on the US market as usual over here. Okay, so just to take note here, right, for today until Friday, there are some certain events that you should take note of. All right, so just want to let you know that this coming Friday is actually the Quadruple Witching Day. All right, in short, I call it Quad Witching Day. Okay, this is this coming Friday, the 18th of March, this coming Friday. So for those who don't know what it is a Quad Witching Day, basically it is, there are four types of derivative that's expiring this coming Friday: the stock index futures, single stock options, options on stock index futures, stock index options. So all these four are expiring this coming Friday. And during the Quad Witching Day, normally it is quite a volatile day. So based on our historical data over here, where is it? Is it over here? Oh yes, okay. Based on historical data, based on the before 15 days before the Quad Witching Day and 15 days after the Quad Witching Days, okay. Generally, before the Quad Witching Days, 5 days in before that, market tend to rally, okay. And on the Quad Witching Day itself, typically the market will decline. Okay, so this coming Friday, if we were to base on historical performance, there's a possibility that the market will decline on that day. So we shall see. So just to let you know that this coming Friday is the Quad Witching Day. So do take note of this. There might be some volatility, and normally after the Quad Witching Day, the market tend to rally. Of course, this is based on the past 15 years from the 2006 to 2021. And of course, right now we are in different circumstances. Right now, there is this ongoing Ukraine and Russia war. There's a rising interest rate coming to the interest rate hike and all the inflation scare and all this. So this is not a normal market condition. So we'll see how it goes. And as I record this video today, tonight, which is Wednesday, which is Singapore midnight, after midnight tonight, there will be the FOMC statement, all right, FOMC press conference also, and this will also move the market as well. So depending on how Powell announced in his statement, so we shall see tonight. So essentially, just there's these two things happening. All right, tonight, Singapore time after midnight, where it's Thursday morning, there will be the FOMC statement and the press conference. And this coming Friday, there will be the Quad Witching Day. And before I go into the outlook for the market, just want to let you guys know that we have this Market Insights Virtual Summit that is coming up on the 9 and 10 of April. Okay, you should be able to see the link on your screen. So just go ahead, marketwiseasia.com/April APR 2022. You can go register. And if you're watching this on Facebook, you should see it in the first comment. And if you're watching this on YouTube, you should be able to see the link, all right, in the description box over here. Okay, so very simple. The event is free, proudly sponsored by IG. All you have to do is to click on the register now. You have your name, email address, and mobile, and you are good to go. And we have a lot of speakers over here, right? Arena Teo, the #1 most followed trader in the world with 1.48 million subscribers. Okay, so he's going to share with you some ninja trading skills. And of course, we have a lot of other power pack speakers as well. Alvin from Dr. Wealth, Colin Xiao, Jay Toon, Joe Augustine, okay, Margaret, Jin Rong. This is Rusmin from the fifth person. Royston from New Academy of Finance, Terence Tan, and Vinny Ong. So now our speakers, just go ahead and register for this event. Market is uncertain. There's a lot of volatility. It's good to see different views and also some of their market outlook and of their trading strategies as well. All right. So yeah, do register for this event. And let me go through the chart right now. So let's go to the Nasdaq. So Nasdaq as of now, this is right now the Singapore time. Right now, as I'm recording this video, right, it is 5:08 p.m. Okay, so it is rallying 1.65%. All right, this is the Nasdaq futures over here. Okay, so yeah, if you have been following my Facebook Live, I mentioned a few times, you can just go ahead and browse through my previous 2 Facebook Live on MarketWise Asia. I said, for the market to stay on an uptrend, right, the market should not break and close below this low over here. Okay, so this low is on the 24th of February over here, this vertical line, 24th of February over here. And the reason is very simple. This is the daily time frame. If I go to the weekly time frame, all right, you should be able to see that, it is supporting at the cloud support right now. Okay, so I also mentioned before, ever since the COVID sell off, okay, so after that, price touched the cloud support. After that, price has never touched the cloud support ever since. And this is the first time, okay, in 2 years, price, do a correction and price is touching back at the support level right now. So, all right, we do not want to see price to break below the cloud. And if price break below the cloud, this is signaling to me we are in a downtrend and we are in a bear market. So right now, the Nasdaq is still struggling to stay afloat above the cloud. So that's the reason why. All right. So if the Nasdaq do really break below the cloud, okay, so I suspect, the S&P 500 will have more downside to come, at least to go to the cloud level over here, and for the Dow Jones as well, to the more downside ahead. So we shall see the Nasdaq over here. So let's zoom back to the daily time frame over here. So the market actually, try to stay below. I'll remove the vertical line over here. Can you see this is the low over here. All right. So the market actually broke below the low. So this is actually like a false break over here. Broke below the low and then reverse back up. So a lot of stocks should have been hunted by now, because there's a lot of liquidity just below the low of this candle over here, which is like over here. So this low has been broken, okay, and hit the broke below the low over here and then reverse back up. And for those who have been following Bini, all right, Bini Ong is over here. This lady over here, she has been teaching a setup, okay, called the wash and rinse pattern over here. Okay, so if you know, this is actually the wash bar, and this is the rinse bar over here. So yeah, if you do not know what I'm talking about, you should really join the Market Insights Virtual Summit, and she'll share with you more about the wash and rinse pattern on the day itself. Okay, so this is the pattern over here, but do take note, right? Today is already the 16th. 16, 17, 18, 2 more days, and then Friday will be the quad witching day. So there'll be volatility ahead. And then on tonight, there will be the FOMC statement. So I'm not sure how the market will perform, but just to let you know that, this, to me, this is actually quite a bullish move over here, okay? Because this is actually a false break over here and then price reverse back up, all right? So at this moment in time, I'm talking from a trading perspective, from a swing trade perspective within the next few days or so. My opinion is that the market might rally up, okay, at least maybe until the central pivot range, which is this green dotted line over here, okay, this central pivot range over here. And then, whether the market will reverse back down or continue to ping pong or rally back up, nobody knows. But as of now, my stand is that I'm still bullish on the market. But short-term wise, there could be a rally. Okay. And after that, we shall see how price react at the central pivot range, which is at about 14,143. Okay, 14,140. Okay, this is based on the Nasdaq futures price. All right. So personally, I've also placed a long order. I've entered a long trade. I buy the Nasdaq index QQQ ETF. So this is just to share with you. Doesn't mean that I'll be right over here. So I bought QQQ at 326.33. All right, 326.33, which is yesterday. 326.3. I go to the QQQ. All right. Let me go to here. 326.33. All right, which is somewhere around this red dotted line over here. So I'll be very frank with you. I have no idea how the market will perform, within the next few days or so. But as I say, right, I believe, based on the Nasdaq future price, I believe there might be some bounce. So we shall see how it goes. This is just my personal trade. I'm not asking you to follow me. And right now, the market futures is actually rallying right now. So we shall see tonight. Okay. And yeah, so that is my opinion for the Nasdaq market. And the S&P, as it is the same, the market, it is rallying right now 1.1%. The Dow Jones is also rallying about 0.9%. So yeah, so be careful on your trade. Do not over leverage. Okay. So if you really want to be sure that the market, it is on a uptrend, price has to break above at least the central pivot range. Okay. Then I would safely say that, the downtrend is weakening. But based on the daily time frame, all right, we are still on a downtrend. Can you see that price reacted at the CPR, as well? So when price reverse back up to the CPR, I expect some reaction over there. Okay, so the reason why I'm doing this trade, actually this is a counter trend trade. Okay, but not without some reasoning. Okay, as I mentioned, the reasoning is because of the weekly time frame. I'm trying to pick a low over here, trying to buy low, sell high, but of course with some reasons now. Okay, not anyhow just hum and say I want to buy. Okay, we are at a low over here, at a critical support over here. So that's the reason why I buy. But on the strictest sense, right, I am doing a counter trend trade. So just be aware of that. Okay, so that's all for my update for today. So we shall see the market tonight and also on Friday itself. So stay safe and happy trading, right? So see you guys again. Thank you. Bye-bye.